Hello, hello, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So today, it's not really a nail video, it's more of a kind of a lash, and it's not really lashing, it's just some supplies that I found on Amazon. So I think I told you in the last video, the course that I took, I'm done with it. But anyways, it came with a mannequin head, and I have used that mannequin head to do all my practicing on. But then I found a couple other things on Amazon, and the course I took didn't come on Amazon. I went to their website. But anyways, I went ahead and I ordered, I thought this was so neat, one more thing to practice on. And I had to order more supplies because I've already kind of gone through, not all the glue, but a lot of the lashes. So anyways, I'm going to keep that bag because nail salon and dust. Anyways, I got this new mannequin head, and this is absolutely, I love this. It has, I believe it said 3 rows of lashes. So these are already in the mannequin, and you can use the lash remover that comes with the kit and everything to take off the lashes that you put on, and then you can practice again. So I'm hoping that this one will be easy to use, and yeah, I still have the other one and I'll still use it as well. And then I'm going to show you another thing I ordered because I needed some more supplies, I guess you could say. I haven't really started lashing on anybody like humans or anybody like that. I'm still doing mannequins just because it's me. So anyways, I'm going to show you the other package that I ordered that has more supplies in it that I think will be great for practicing as well. So this is just something I'm doing. I'm not telling you that you have to go out and get this kit to do your practicing or anything. Everybody has their own company that they use, and they have their own little things that they like. So I'm just going to show you some stuff that I bought, and I thought it might be kind of fun. So sit back, enjoy, and I'll go ahead and get this one open. All right, so I ordered this one off of Amazon as well. And I think, if I remember right, this one comes with a mannequin head too. I don't know, maybe you can never have enough mannequin heads to do your practicing on. So this is kind of, hold on here. It is sealed real well. Okay. I may have to just put this box on the floor. But anyways, okay. Okay. Oh, wow. All right. So it comes with, I'm hoping, oh, this is just blurry. I'm going to put this on the floor. Hold on. Okay. Is that better? Yeah. So it comes with a bag to put all your supplies in. That is cute. And it's got, that's a big bag. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to open this so as I go, I'll just put everything in it. So, nice. I mean, that's a good size bag. Okay. And if I remember right, this was only like, I don't know, $36 or something like that. Okay, these come with a little, these hold your lash glue, and you can put them on your fingers, so it's a little bit easier to do the lashes when you've got your gal in front of you. So this is the eyelash glue, and this I am only going to use on the mannequins. And this is the tape. It's always nice when they send stuff that you can use. These you can make, I believe these, you can use these just to do your lash. Instead of using the mannequin, you can put your lashes on these. I wanted to say you can do strips, but I don't believe so, so I'm not even going to say that. These are not, I am not for sure what these are, so I'm going to have to look these up. I don't know if they go under the eye. Okay, I'm feeling kind of silly now. ordered this kit, I should know what these are, and I don't. Oh, and another fan. Okay, so these are cute. So I have one of these already. It came with the Lash course kit that I ordered. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that right there. Okay, these are like lip gloss swabs that you would use. These work great if you're cleaning the lashes or if you're putting like a bonder on them. And these are the eyelash brushes. I'm loving this pink. Actually, you could use these two for bonder if you wanted to. I believe it's called bonder or primer. And then this is a silicone mat. I do remember this one because I had to look it up because I was like, what in the world is that? So it's a silicone mat, and you can put your lashes on here prior to putting them on your mannequin or your client. So I'm going to just leave that there. Okay, this is a tweezer cleaner. I actually bought one of these. It came in a 2-pack. Okay, very nice. It's sealed. And this helps clean your tweezers when you get that lash glue on there, because sometimes that happens. So, and this is the bottle that I'm going to be using when I like shampoo the lashes. This will have distilled water in it. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in this box. It's insane. So here's another mannequin head. I'm not going to take her out. I'm going to leave her in the plastic. I already have, well, like I said, I've got 2 now, 3, I guess you could say, to use. Okay, this comes with quite a few lashes. And it will tell you what it is. This is a mix, 10D. So let's see, where do they start? They go 8 up to 15. It's a mix. This is the exact same kind. And so is this one. Okay, so all 3 of these are the same. Like I said, I haven't started doing anybody yet. It's just mannequin stuff still. So here's a little tray. I'm hoping these are in the shot. Oh my goodness, come on. Oh, okay, so this one looks like, okay, it's Velcro. You can put it on your hand. So I'm thinking it'd be something like this maybe. I'm not for sure. I haven't seen these. So that might be kind of useful. Okay. Oh, so hold on here. Oh my gosh. How adorable is that? Oh, she's so little. Okay. So these are more practice lashes. Oh, very nice. And then they come with I would call these like a couple refills or whatever. So when those are done, you got 2 more sets to do. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. That's a little smaller than I was anticipating, but it's cute. All right, and then, oh, very nice. So there's 3 of these that got smushed. Uh-oh. Anyways, these lashes here go on the mannequin that I just showed you. Not the one that has the lashes already, but the one that came in the kit. So these are pretty easy to use. Excuse me. You just peel them off and you place them, you know, right. It kind of has, I really don't want to take her out of the back, but it'll show you right here where to put those lashes. So you just place them on there, and then you can do your practicing. And then when you're done, you just peel them off and you put another set on. Or at least that's what I'm doing, and I think that's the way you're supposed to do it, but like I said, I'm not telling anybody what they're supposed to do. Oh, wow. Okay, so this kit came with, this is a mirror. I'm going to leave it in the plastic. This is something that you would normally use if you're going to try and see how the lashes look in front of you, so you can see what they look, you know, on the opposite side because you're sitting up above. These are stickers that you would put on your plate to put your lash glue on. It comes with tweezers. It does not tell you what size. That is okay. What I am learning as I go is to make sure that your tweezers, there's no gap. If there's a gap, you cannot pick up those lashes very easy. Or I can't anyways. So it's got 3 different tweezers. Okay. Very nice. Everybody's got a preference on those too. This is the brush that you would use if you're going to shampoo the lashes. And I think it came, yeah, it did. Came with shampoo. So eyelash shampoo. So I'm trying to do that as well, even though it's just practice. Okay, some more tape. Another wash brush, shampoo brush. And I want to say this is the eyelash remover. Okay. And I will only be using this on my mannequins. Okay. Comes with the under eye patches. So there's a few sets here. These are always good to have. There is, hold on here. I should know what these are and I don't. Okay, I don't know what those are. I will have to look those up. So all of this has come in the box. Okay, so there are scissors. I'm just going to leave these in here to trim the lashes if need be. Okay, it comes with a little jade stone. So this is something that, am I in the thing? So I'm having a morning. This is a stone that you put the glue on, and then when your lash glue, and then when you're done, you can wipe it off. But it's supposed to, if I remember right, it's supposed to help keep the glue somewhat cool, so it doesn't get too warm. If I remember right, don't quote me on that. Okay, these little doodads, I don't know what these are for, but they've got a little brush on them, if you can see that. So I will have to look into that. It came with eyelash types and diagrams. So that's kind of neat. It shows you different eyelash designs. Oh, I love these. These are always nice to have. Let's see here. Tells you how to do it. It's just a fun little kit. Oh, look at that. Okay. Okay, let's see. Y-shaped lash brush. It's forked to design efficiently combs multi-layered or fanned out lashes. Okay, so I don't know if those are, I mean, they're plastic, so I'm assuming they can be washed and disinfected. These are the lash display sponge. Let's see, what else was I? Oh, curved cleaning pad. isolates under eye skin during lash removal. Oh, okay. Fitting the eye's curvature better. So these you would use when you're doing a lash removal. All right, that's good to know. And then let's see, lash positioning stickers. Thin and breathable, prevents dryness of the under eye skin during extensions. Okay, that's what these are. Oh, I'm so happy they sent that because I'm feeling a little silly right now, not knowing what everything is. So here they are. Those look helpful. Okay, put these on top of your under eye patches, I believe. And I think that's it. So anyways, I will leave a link to this kit. Again, I'm using this kit for practice. I'm just going to practice and practice and practice until I feel like I have this down. But until then, I'm always excited to find new stuff that isn't super expensive. And yeah. Oh, I wanted to share this too. So I found this on Amazon as well. And this will tell you the temperature and the humidity in your room. So like right now, I'm at 68.7 with 31%. So I'm learning that with glues, you have to find glues that work with the temperature and humidity that you have in your room. So this glue is the one that came with my course that I took. And then my son's fiance used to do lashes, and she suggested getting this one. So this hasn't been used yet because that one's a little spendy, and I'm going to be using that on people when I'm comfortable enough to start. But anyways, this little container helps keep those glue bottles sealed up real good so that the air doesn't get to them and whatnot. And the temperature, okay, 69.1 and 32% humidity. So anyways, this is a neat little container to have for your glues if you're looking to store them in something. But anyways, like I said, this is all just for practice right now. And then I will do a nail video here shortly. And please don't be upset with me because I know it's Nails by Deborah, but I'm starting to add lashes to those services as well. So anyways, like I said, have a good weekend. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back again shortly. Cheers.